Hello, my name is Aaron Fitch. I'm here with 3D Sellers to give you some quick tips on how to organize your eBay inbox, especially for the current COVID-19 event. We'll go to the eBay CRM and Helpdesk and open a ticket. In the Reply and Note area, I'm going to click and insert a template I've created called Corona. The template automatically uses the buyer's name and inserts my message about coronavirus delays. Using a template saves a lot of time compared to typing a reply over and over again. Let's head back to our inbox. Another way to keep your support organized is to assign your support tickets ticket types. Say, this ticket is about payment, or this ticket is for a return. Or you can mark your ticket with tags by selecting a ticket and adding a tag. Most importantly, you can set the status of a ticket to keep an organized workflow. I'll set this ticket as to do, and now it's in my to-do folder, so I can reply to this ticket later. I'll set this ticket as awaiting reply. Now I know I'm waiting for a reply from the buyer. These features can also be used in custom filters, so you can find the tickets you need to faster. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, healthy, and the best of sales to your business.